So I want to welcome everyone to the Astro booth at the Annual Transportation Research Board meeting here in Washington, D.C.
And this is a very big project that involves developing a roadmap for agencies around the nation. I only spoke about one case study with the Arizona Department of Transportation that focused on how we can leverage AI for ramp metering.
So given some of the work that you've conducted and some of these things that you've seen and maybe some of the experiences you had here at TRB, what is your perception of where the TSMO industry is heading?
Throughout this project, I've noted two key concerns. The first I would say is dealing with legacy systems. You know, we're trying to take very, very advanced algorithms and apply them to software that's been around for a long time. And the other concern I see is that, you know, we're doing a lot of research that I'm very proud of, and then I just don't know how do I deploy it? How do I make it operational? How do I get it to the DOT? And so I think the future of TSMO, at least in the next couple of years, is going to be maybe taking a break from cutting edge research and new ideas, and actually focusing on starting to apply some of the TSMO strategies that we've already been developing for a while.